Hello, wanted to do a quick demonstration here on the OSDU Source Assistant, codenamed Alfi. We're trying to solve a couple problems here on using AI to make it easier to work with dependencies and perform security analysis to figure out the things that should be upgraded in OSDU, and then go ahead and fix those and process the merge requests in. First demonstration here, we'll be working with a fun little project, which is a voice interactive demo. Hi, Alfie.
Hi, I'm Alfi, your OSDU assistant. How can I help with your OSDU software engineering tasks today?
Alfie, what do you know about OSDU?
OSDU is an open-source, cloud-agnostic data platform for managing subsurface energy data across multiple clouds and repositories. It uses microservices with RESTful APIs, including core services like partition, entitlements, schema, storage, and search, plus reference services for coordinates and units. Managed by the Open Group, it standardizes data for better interoperability with strong security.
Alfie, what dependencies should be upgraded for the OS Core Common Library?
Key upgrades to consider. Update Spring Boot from 3.2.5 to 3.2.6 for security fixes. Switch Jakarta's Servlet API and Validation API from milestone to stable releases. Upgrade outdated PowerMock to newer versions or switch to Mockito extensions. Migrate Swagger models to OpenAPI 3x. Replace unmaintained system rules with JUnit 5 extensions. No known vulnerable dependencies were found.
So, pretty interesting demonstration there. The next demonstration here we'll do is running directly in an editor. Hi, Alfie. What OSDU services do you know about? All right. So here we're using the GPT-4.1 model, and we have the concept of little agent loops. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to triage the partition service. So it's going through, it's reading all the different POM files. Okay, and now it's calling the Alfi tool server to analyze and security scan. So here we're sending information out to Maven. Here we're running Trivy scans against those POM files, and the vulnerability triage report has been created. And so here we can see basically the different vulnerabilities findings, what we're currently running, and what versions and things like that that we should be running. So, and it's asking, would you like to create a plan around this? We'll say yes. Okay, and now that the report is saved, we're going to create an action plan for that report. Okay, so here's the remediation plan being created. Yes, we want to save that. And here's a remediation plan. And so you could see the remediation plan here. And now the next step would be to start to action on that and start to make the changes and things like that. So hopefully this was an interesting demo to sort of see what's possible with OSD Source Assistant Alfi. Thanks for watching.